All right, here's a higher priced chain link, LINK. Let's check this one out. Back in 18, it started 13 cents. Get in low, 213.5. Look at this roll into 2020, then it goes to 52. Unbelievable, the moves. Oh my God. Everyone thought crypto was a joke. It doesn't look like a joke now, does it? 52, 59, we drop. Comes all the way down to 530. You see this trend line, look at this. All the way getting higher. Look, 8 now, 10. You think we're going that low? Unless maybe it's a big crash. Doesn't look like it. And then 22, 8. You know, recent move to 30.94. Now I have a trend line 9, 22. You see here 87, 30.94. This would put it at, if we go up to high 35, 37-ish and a half. You would then move down. You're at that. The wicks, you know, they came there close to 10, 11, and now we have a big candle. That's a very bullish candle. Oversold, you're crossing over. CCI is turning up. RSI is turning up. You have a big trend line coming down. So, you know, this is definitely more bullish than the rest. Higher price, too. This is the weekly. See, 52.99. We come down flat for 23. All of 23, you can see. Then we move to 22.87. Then you get 8, then you get a 30. Look at that. And now you fell back to 10. Another low spot for support. And now we're rolling up. Draw your line right here. Across down. We're breaking out. So low. Low gets higher. You're moving up. Look at money flow. Pink. CCI was low. Now we're overbought. So it's looking very strong. The daily chart. See the 1 year. All right, going back. Look how it was going back and forth. Draw your line over, you know, basically 12 and a half and 10. This goes to 30. Then you have a big move down, all the way down. And then 10.94, that wick right there holding. And you see a wick back there, 10.11, very close. And then just like that, you put in a green candle to 13, little F pattern sideways. You break 14. Now you're at 18.48. So very bullish on Link here. Let's go back to the yearly. 10 years. $5 years right here. All right, so moving closely here. That's the weekly. Let me get back to the monthly. All right, here's the monthly. So you can see 950, 22, 30, all the way up. The low. Cross right down, 1849. So we'll see if it can break, you know, get above here. Then 25, I would look for 27.5. Then if we go further, you know, we'll see if that trend line comes in play, if it's a true trend line, because every time here, hit down, and then next one. That's why this is looking more of a breakout. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Peace.